This is the V3 digital wireless rear view monitor in 1080p, SKU 18392. Designed in-house in sunny California, this monitor has a 300-foot digital wireless range. Monitor sizes are available in 7 to 10.5 inches and include multiple mounting options, including a trim that'll give you a clean in-dash install. This monitor can accept up to 4 cameras with over 10 viewing modes. There is a configuration for every use case. All V3 cameras come with an integrated microphone compatible with this monitor's internal speakers with full volume control, including muting. The ultra bright screen with auto dimming makes the view perfect in direct sunlight as well as in any pitch dark environment. Convert your camera system to a dash cam with the optional DVR upgrade. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!